All right, calculating R. So you're going to come to this website. I will post it. You're going to click on this, go to Chapter 12, Correlation / Regression. Sample size n equals 10. Outcome variable type, you are welcome to choose any of these. I am going to choose survey. Significance, leave that at to allow for both significant and non-significant results, and click Generate Data Set. You are simply then going to type in your numbers 333, 233, so 333, 233, 4322. And then 29, 35, 35, 24, 29, 35, 24, 32, 25, 32, 37, 23, 23. Okay. You will scroll down, click Calculate R. The value of R is 0.6805. You are going to come back over here, scroll down, and check your answer. R equals 0.6805. Yay! So the reason I'm having you use the two websites, although this one does it all for you and it tells you everything you need to know, and so we will use this website in the future. One of the biggest skills you will learn in statistics is entering your own data and checking and double checking and maybe triple checking all of your data, because entering even just one number incorrectly skews your entire data set and you cannot use it. So that is all we're going to worry about on these, the value of R. So I want you to take a screenshot of your data set generator settings, your results, this right here with R, and then over here on your Pearson correlation coefficient, I want the XY values and the value of R. So it's 5 things that you are going to take a screenshot of, put them on one Word doc, and upload them to the Dropbox. Let me know if you have any questions.